Welcome to a morning skincare routine with Exuviance. Over the summer, I got really relaxed on taking care of my skin, so I've been being really intentional about finding products that can repair my skin and get it back to its tip-top shape. I was sent these products from the company Exuviance, and I've been using them for about 2 weeks, and I wanted to share how I've been using the products and some of the active ingredients that have been helping to get my skin back into shape. So the first thing I always do is wash my hands and make sure that my hair is out of the way. And then I'm just going to wet my skin and prep for a cream-based cleanser. Something very gentle that will just cleanse my skin from any free radicals, sweat, things like that accumulate overnight. After cleansing, I'm going to use the hydraprep pH Balance Toner. It's formulated with ingredients that hydrate and target the skin's pH. This product contains glycolic acid, PHA, and conditioning botanicals, and I've listed below what those active ingredients are and how they help your skin. Now, I applied this product directly with my hands, but you can also apply with a cotton pad. Once that dries, I'm going in with the Age Reverse Rebuild 5 cream. Now this cream contains 5 rejuvenating ingredients that are formulated to plump and firm the skin and make your cheekbones and jawline more contoured. My favorite thing about this product is the consistency. It's between a gel and a cream, so it's really moisturizing as it goes onto your skin. I've listed those 5 ingredients down below and exactly what those ingredients do. The next product is the Targeted Lip Filler. Now, it's been proven that the collagen in our lips breaks down over time. So this product contains ingredients that help plump and smooth the appearance of lips. And for my girlies that understand, you're gonna love this product. Aside from it being helpful to plump and smooth, it's actually just really moisturizing. I love the applicator. And it gives you that nice tingly feeling that lip plumpers have. I keep this in my bag and I apply it twice a day. That's it for this morning routine, guys. Check out the company Exuviance. I really have been seeing great results with these products.